I'll take it. I'm Tommy Omar, General Manager at Dulles Kia, and I'll pay up to 125% of Kelley Blue Book value for your trade.
Right now, drive a new Optima for just $6 a day, or a new Sportage for just $7 a day.
You sure about taking anything?
Well, anything but your ex.
Only at Dulles Kia. 189 lease, 36 months, $19.99 due at signing with approved credit plus tax tag and title. No security deposit required. Expires 2/29/16.
Dunkin' Donuts Chicken Apple Sausage Breakfast Sandwich is making waking up sweeter. The juicy split chicken sausage, seasoned with flavorful apple and spices, is sure to brighten up your breakfast. And it's all under 400 calories. Enjoy one today. America runs on Dunkin'. Price and participation may vary. Limited time offer. Go to Dunkin' Donuts from 2 to 6 p.m. today and enjoy any medium hot or iced latte or macchiato. America runs